Hi, I'm Michele Deeks. I'm an occupational psychologist, and I work within organisations, a wide range of organisations, working with individuals, teams, and at the organisational level, helping people to be at their best more of the time. So I use a lot of positive psychology in what I do, and a lot of the principles of occupational psychology as well, and I get to work with a wide range of really great people in lots of different roles and with lots of different responsibilities. Within our work, we use a range of different products, at my best products. So we have some sets of strengths cards and we have some new good question cards, which we're very excited about because they're new off the shelf. And we also have a strengths-based 360 as well. And we use all of those tools within our work, but we also have them, and we have a wide range of people who use those in their own independent practices and within their own organisations as well. My workshop is basically going to be an introduction to our approach to strengths-based coaching and strengths-based development. Be a really interactive session. So we're going to be using our strengths cards, and I'll be talking a little bit about the principles behind our approach, which is quite different to a lot of other approaches. So we take a very narrative approach, no numbers involved. It's all to do with the stories people tell, which we find works really well for helping people to properly engage with their strengths and understand not just what their strengths are, but how they can be using them more, which ultimately for us when we're coaching is what we're trying to do. We're trying to help people to be at their best more of the time. And our approach is very simple. It's very adaptable. You can use it in lots of different ways. But what we typically find is people really take ownership of their strengths and get a deeper level of understanding maybe of what they can really do when they're at their best and how they can play to their strengths more readily. So the workshop will take you through our approach a little bit, but we'll focus mainly on giving you an opportunity to do some practical exercises and test out our approach using our strengths cards, and just to explore how that works in practice and where it might be valuable in your own coaching work, and also to share ideas in the room as well. I'm a great believer in sharing the experience in the room. I'm sure people will have lots of stories that they can share with us as well. I'd find it hard to pick one workshop that I was looking forward to because it looks like there are a number that I would really like to go to, several which are on at the same time as mine, so I'm going to have to catch up with those speakers separately. But what I'm really looking forward to is connecting with everybody and learning from everybody there. I think that's the real opportunity at this sort of event, and it sounds like it's going to be a real mix of people at the event and some great people to connect with, and plenty of opportunities in the breaks and lunches to have a chat, catch up, and make new connections.